Hi, this is Christian with MISO BIM.
This tutorial topic is the Revit user interface. This course is considered beginner level. Welcome to the Revit user interface. All the way on the top left corner is the Revit icon, the capital R. This is the application menu. It displays the common action files such as new, open, save, and print. You can also access the options menu from here. To the right of the R is the quick access toolbar. It holds a set of the most used tools in Revit. To activate a tool, just click on its icon. In the middle is the title bar, which indicates the name of the project file you're currently on. To the right of the title bar is the info center. It contains a search box linked to the Revit help documents and various tools to access product-related information. Below all of these things is the ribbon. You will be using this the most. It contains all the tools needed to create a project or family. By default, the ribbon is organized as 3 horizontal segments, the top part being the tabs, the middle section the tool icons, and the bottom part the panels. The search process for a specific tool starts with selecting a tab, then identifying the appropriate panel, and ends with selecting a tool icon. Many of the tools in Revit have a default shortcut that you can type in to access the command. WA for wall, MV for move, and AL for align are just some of the default shortcuts. You can also add custom shortcuts to any tool in the ribbon, allowing for a quick and efficient workflow. We will go over keyboard shortcuts in a later tutorial. Notice that when you hover over a tool, a small description appears. If you keep hovering over it, you will get a larger description and a graphic image or animation. So if you are unsure of what the tool does, just hover and read. Under the ribbon is the options bar, which displays conditional options based on the current tool or selected element. If you select the wall tool, you will notice wall editing options appear in the options bar. As soon as you close out of the tool, the options bar will revert back to the default setting. Under the options bar to the left are the properties palette and the project browser. The properties palette is made up of 2 parts, the top part being the type selector and the bottom part being the list of properties. The type selector allows you to select the type of element you will place in the drawing area or change the type of elements already placed. The list contains parameters of the selected element that can be edited. The project browser is located right under the properties palette. It displays a list of all views, schedules, sheets, families, and other parts of the current project. They are organized under general folders that can expand to show lower level items that you can double click to open. The large empty space to the right is your drawing area. The drawing area is your workspace where all the modeling takes place. To the bottom of the drawing area is the view control bar, which displays icons to functions that affect the current view, such as the scale tool and the hide tool. All the way to the bottom is the status bar. The left corner of the status bar will display text providing hints and tips, and also displays the names of the highlighted family and its type. To the right of the active work set and design options drop-down menus, and at the right corner are the selection option tools. Remember that this is just a quick general overview and that you will learn more about these tools and menus in later tutorials. That concludes our beginner course on the Revit user interface. Thanks for watching.